Phase 5, another day is done. Trekking the grind beneath the midday sun. My spirit's restless, got a fire in my soul. Need some redemption, gotta lose control. The city sleeps, but my veins are wide awake. Got that primal hunger, for goodness sake. A whisper calls me from the darkest part of town, where the amps are screaming and the walls come crashing down, crashing down, crashing down, down. Yeah, the rhythm starts to pull me like a moth to the flame. Can feel it in my heart, screaming out its name. Oh, it's thunder against the wall, shaking up the ground and begging for more. Guitars like lightning, drums a heavy beat. Feel it in your bones, from your head to your feet. It's the freedom, it's the call. Gonna give it everything, gonna risk it all. If this ain't just music, it's the air I breathe. Leave your worries behind and believe. See the sweat beating on the singer's brow. Every note and promise, every promise now. The bassline rumbling deep inside your chest puts your weary spirit to the ultimate test. And it passes, and it passes, and it passes. Fingers flying wild on the 6 strings neck, breaking all the